How to turn off PS5 login passcode. First of all, you're going to want to go to the home screen of your PlayStation 5 console, then press up on the D-pad or your left stick to get to the games and media section at the top there. Then you want to scroll to the right until you see settings, click X on that, then you want to go down until you see the setting users and accounts. Then in the users and accounts you want to scroll down until you see login settings. There you'll see require a PS5 login passcode, or for you that you'll be able to turn off. For me, because I don't have a login passcode on my PlayStation, it's not there. But if so, what you'll need to do is type in your current passcode, and then you're going to want to click on turn off. And then once you've done that, you can go back out of it, and your PS5 login passcode will be removed. So first of all, you do need to know that's very important. If you don't, then you can't turn it off. Once you do, you'll input it, then click turn off, and then it will be gone from your PlayStation 5. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.